Good morning, students. Hope you are doing well at home. Today we are going to learn this chapter number 13. We will skip chapter number 12. Let us start. Earth and the heavenly bodies. The earth, the world that we live in, is called the earth. Early man thought the earth to be a flat surface, but we now know that the ground we stand on is curved. When the first ship set sail on a long journey, many people thought it would one day fall off the side of the flat earth. But the ship went all the way around the earth and returned to its starting point to prove that the earth was indeed round. The top of an approaching ship is first seen at a distance. As it comes closer, the rest of it can be seen. This too proves that the surface of the earth is curved. You can see what the earth looks like by looking at a globe, which is a model of the earth. The surface of the earth where all living beings are found is called the crust of the earth. Under the crust there is a thick layer of hot rocks called the mantle. At the center of the earth is the core, which is very hot. Earlier, many men believed that the earth is flat to prove that some ships started to sail, and the ships one day returned to its starting point. If the earth's surface would flat, the ships would fall from the edge of the earth, but it did not happen. So it proved that the earth is round. Okay. When the ships were returning to its starting point, first they saw the top of the ship. When it come closer to them, then they can saw the rest of the ship. It also proved that the earth is round. Okay. The earth has three layers. The top layer is called crust. The second layer is called mantle, and the third layer is called core. Okay, we live on the crust, and this is a globe. This is a model of a earth. Okay, come to the next page. When we look up at the sky, we can see many heavenly bodies. During the day, we see the bright sun. At night, we can see the moon and many twinkling stars. The sun and the stars are all much bigger than the earth. They look small because they are very far away. The sun is a huge hot ball of gases. It is the source of all light and heat on earth. It is over 100 times bigger than the earth. The sun is the star nearest to the earth. A star has a family of planets and moons around it. Earth is a member of the sun's family, which is called the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The planets move around the sun in fixed paths known as orbits. All planets but for Uranus moved around the sun from west to east. Most of the planets have their moons which move around the planets. The small planet nearest to the sun is Mercury. Venus is the next planet. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Both Mercury and Venus have no moons. The third planet in the solar system is Earth, the only planet that supports life. Earth has one moon. The next planet is Mars, which is also known as the red planet. It has 2 moons. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system and it has 16 moons. The sixth planet is Saturn with its 12 moons. The planet is the second biggest and it has ring around it. Uranus moves around the sun in a direction opposite to all other planets. It has 15 moons. The last planet in the solar system is Neptune with its 8 moons. Till a few years ago, Pluto was named as the 9th planet of the solar system. However, it is so small and so far away from the sun that it is no longer considered to be a planet.